my name's Lewis, and I signed up for the GrooveFunnels lifetime upgrade a few months ago, and with that joined the Facebook community with lots of like-minded individuals, all looking to do the same thing and to use GrooveFunnels for their business. And what I saw quite quickly was Milon's page getting lots of recommendations and him being very helpful in the group, lots of comments, willing to help people out. So I reached out to him over in Australia. Now, I'm in Europe, he's in Australia, so you'd think there might be a bit of a time difference issue, but it hasn't been the case. With Facebook Messenger, we've been in regular contact. For me, that means earlier in the morning, for him later in at night sometimes, but he's very often available with very short time delay. So the reason why I contacted Milon in the first place was because I wanted to use GrooveFunnels, more specifically Groove Pages, to set up some affiliate marketing web pages, but also for my own business as I move towards teaching English online. But I'm not very savvy when it comes to that sort of thing. I can play with drag and drop. I guess something like Wix would probably be okay. But when it comes to GrooveFunnels, which is drag and drop as well, but is a little bit more complicated and I think still in development, I really needed external help. So taking all of those recommendations that I'd received and that I'd seen on the Facebook community, I decided to go with Milon, give him a shot, and pay for the services that he's offering. And I've been very happy so far, I have to say. He's set up 3 or 4 pages for me, and when I've asked for changes and when I've needed changes making, those have then come. I understand, of course, fully that it's just me. I'm not a big corporate client. I'm not a recurring payment client for him. So, of course, I understand that some priorities have to be elsewhere, and there can be a little bit of a delay in some cases, but it really doesn't bother me. And I'm sure that if you were to push him and request that he were to, really get something done urgently because something needs to be done now, then he's going to be on that and he's going to get it done. So far, I think Milon has done 2 or 3 different pages for me within the context of the website that I'm looking to create, it all looks very good, and I'm very happy. How did it start? We had the 30-minute free consultation where I explained a bit about my background. He shared a bit about his. We talked about what it was I was looking to achieve, my vision. Based on that, he's then gone away and obviously tried to make that a reality. So I have to admit that I'm not quite there yet. I'm the one that's still taking a bit of time and still figuring out what I want. But even the other day, Milon contacted me, out of the blue to say, hey, how's it going? What's new? What's up? Can I help you with anything? So very proactive, very professional. As I say, the time difference, not an issue at all. I think we're on a good path, and all the feedback that I've seen elsewhere has been really positive as well. So all in all, happy with the decision to have used Milon to help me with GrooveFunnels, and as I say, an active and very proactive, positive member of the Groove community.